IndiGo, India's largest domestic carrier, is facing a severe operational crisis leading to mass flight cancellations that have stranded thousands of passengers across the country since Friday. Following over 1,000 flight cancellations on Friday, the disruption continued intensely on Saturday, with hundreds of the additional flights, over 400 from four major airports alone, being scrapped. This widespread breakdown in service has caused immense problems and stress for passengers nationwide.
चाहिए रिफंड, बस हमारा लगेज दे दो। 24 घंटे से ज्यादा हो गया।
कहाँ जा रही थी आप?
श्रीनगर जा रही थी मैं।
फैमिली के साथ जा रही थी?
हाँ, कल से लेके अभी।
सामान डिपॉजिट है अंदर?
हाँ, हमारा सामान नहीं दे रहा।
क्या बोल रहे हैं?
उसके पास जाइए, उसके पास जाइए, उसके पास जाइए। हम कुछ नहीं मांग रहे, हमको हमारा लगेज दे दो यार बस।
मतलब इस कदर लोग परेशान है, देखिए मैडम रो रही हैं।
लगेज में लाखों का सामान है, इम्पोर्टेंट डॉक्यूमेंट है, मेडिसिन है।
कहाँ के रहने वाली हैं?
मुंबई।
मुंबई। तो मुंबई से दिल्ली या दिल्ली से जा रही थी फिर आप?
हाँ,
आपके साथ कौन कौन है?
मेरे हस्बैंड है अभी इधर।
तो अभी कोई अंदर जवाब देने वाला नहीं है, इधर से उधर भेजा जा रहा है।
बस यही बर्गर लाया जा रहा है।
मतलब लोग यहाँ तक परेशान हैं कि वो कह रहे हैं कि भाई उनको आप फ्लाइट का रिफंड मत दीजिए, कम से कम जो उनका सामान लगेज है वो बता दीजिए। आगे की क्या स्थिति है वो तो लोग जान रहे हैं कि कोई बताने वाला नहीं, कोई जवाबदेही वैसे भी नहीं दिख रही जितना यहाँ लोग परेशान दिख रहे हैं मुझे। मगर कम से कम जो लोगों का सामान है वो उनको दे दिया जाए, आगे को लेकर प्रॉपर इन्फॉर्मेशन दे दी जाए। और आप सोचिए, ये देश की राजधानी है और देश की राजधानी का ये एयरपोर्ट है और यहाँ से जाने वाले यात्रियों को जब ये हाल है।
सेम ऑन यू। पब्लिक आपसे फुकट में नहीं कुछ मांग रहा है, अपना लगेज मांग रहा है, ओनली लगेज, नॉट रिफंड, ओनली लगेज मांग रहा है।
तो आप समझ लीजिए कि लोग किस कदर परेशान हैं।
घटिया पॉलिसी इंडिगो की कि थूकती हूँ मैं ऐसी घटिया पर, कभी जिंदगी में न जाऊँ मैं दोबारा इंडिगो के साथ।
We had a flight yesterday for Lucknow. It got cancelled and we were stranded here, and so we stayed back here. We have to go to Chennai. We had a flight tomorrow for Chennai. That was also cancelled. We got the information yesterday itself. So today we are now trying our luck for Chennai if we could go, because now we can't go to Lucknow now again. So we are trying for Chennai, but we are not getting any tickets for Chennai also. So we don't know what to do. So we are just staying back here.
मेरा कल का फ़्लाइट था शाम का 6:30 बजे का इंडिगो का, वो कैंसिल कर दिया। उसके बावजूद आज सवेरे फिर से रीशेड्यूल किया। मॉर्निंग का 11 बजे का लगभग फ़्लाइट था, वो भी अभी यहाँ आके चेक किया तो वो भी कैंसिल कर दिया। अभी इस बारे में बोल रहे हैं तो एयरलाइन बोल रहा है कि हम रिफ़ंड इनिशिएट कर देते हैं और या फिर वेट करिए।
बाकी अगर बाकी एयरलाइंस की भी बात करें तो टिकट का दाम
हाँ, उसका कम से कम 25,000 रुपये के आसपास है दिल्ली का अगर प्राइस।
The core of the crisis stems primarily from an acute pilot rostering problem and a resulting crew shortage. This situation was exacerbated by the implementation of the DGCA updated FDTL rules, which mandate stricter rest periods and limitations on pilot duty hours to enhance safety. One of the passengers from Guwahati has strongly criticized the IndiGo Airlines.
Ils ont tout cancellé. Ils ont tout cancellé. Quand ils cancellent, il faut occuper des gens. Il faut occuper des gens. Il n'y a rien à manger. Il n'y a rien à dormir. Je perds mon billet.
Friday was reported as the most severely impacted day, with over 1,000 cancellations crippling air traveling. The scale of the disruption has prompted swift intervention from the Ministry of Civil Aviation. IndiGo has been ordered to complete all pending passenger refunds from cancelled flights on Sunday, December 7, 2025.
Ladies and gentlemen, I'm Peter Elbers, the CEO of IndiGo. I want to share with you that we have experienced severe operational disruptions for the past few days. Since then, the crisis continued to aggravate, with today, December 5th, being the most severely impacted day, with the number of cancellations well over 1,000, or more than half of our number of daily flights. I, on behalf of all of us at IndiGo would like to extend our sincerest apologies for the major inconvenience this has caused to many of our customers on account of delays or cancellations. The situation is a result of various causes. Yet, for you as a customer, it's important how we as IndiGo address this. We have defined 3 lines of action. Firstly, customer communication and addressing your needs. For this, messages have been sent on social media, and just now a more detailed communication with information on refunds, cancellations, and other customer support measures was sent. Also, we've stepped up our call center capacity. Secondly, due to yesterday's situation, we had customers stranded mostly at the nation's largest airports. Our focus was for all of them to be able to travel today itself, which will be achieved. For this, we also ask customers whose flights are cancelled not to come to airports as notifications are sent on this. Thirdly, cancellations were made for today as to align our crew and planes to be where they need to start afresh tomorrow morning. Earlier measures of the last few days regrettably have proven not to be enough. So we've decided today for a reboot of all our systems and schedules, resulting in the highest number of cancellations so far, but imperative for progressive improvements starting as from tomorrow. With these actions, we expect tomorrow to have cancellations below 1,000. The support of DGCA in providing specific FDTL implementation relief is of great help. Still, there's lots of work in progress, but going forward from here, in alignment with the Ministry of Civil Aviation and DGCA, we do expect to further improve every day. Given the size, scale, and complexity of our operation, it will take some time to return to a full normal situation, which we do anticipate between the 10th and the 15th of December. I do understand that these disruptions have caused much discomfort to our customers and has shaken their belief in IndiGo's reliability so carefully built over these past 19 years. My colleagues, all the great IndiGo teams and frontline staff have been working relentlessly to address the situation. Rest assured, we are doing everything in our control to not only restore your trust and belief, but strengthen it further over time. Thank you for your patience, understanding, and kindness during this difficult time. We shall keep you updated on an ongoing.
IndiGo CEO has issued an apology for the major inconvenience and stated that the airline expects the situation to return to near normal operation between December 10 and 15. Bureau Report, Chini, Khorang.